Hello, welcome to maths class. Today let us have a problem based on trigonometrical ratios. The problem is this. ABCD is a rectangle, AC is a diagonal 15 cm, angle ACD is given alpha, cot alpha is 3 by 2. If it is so, we have to find the perimeter and area of the given rectangle. Okay, let us work out for this. At first it is given cot alpha. Cot alpha is 3 by 2. For this angle alpha, cot alpha is adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side is CD, opposite side is AD. That equal to 3 by 2. That means let us take CD as 3x, AD as 2x. So in triangle ACD, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. So AC is given 15 square, AD is 2x whole square and CD is 3x whole square. So 225 is equal to 4x square plus 9x square. 4 plus 9, 13x square is equal to 225 or x square equal to 225 by 13. So x is equal to square root of 225 by 13. Square root of 225 is 15 and root 13 we cannot do. So the value of x is 15 by root 13. So that means CD is equal to, in order to find the perimeter and area, we must know the sides. So CD is 3x. CD is equal to 3x. That is 3 into 15 by root 13. That gives you 40 by root 13 cm. Next, AD is 2x. That implies CD is equal to AB. That usually we say as length of the rectangle. That is 40 by root 13 cm. Sorry, 15 3 is a 45. 45 by root 13 cm. Now let us find AD. AD is equal to 2x. That is 2 into 15 by root 13. That is 30 by root 13. Okay. So AD is equal to BC. That we say generally breadth of the rectangle. That is 30 by root 13 cm. Now we got both length and breadth of the rectangle L and B. We can find the perimeter and area of the rectangle by using the formula. So perimeter is equal to, that is perimeter of rectangle is equal to, we know that 2 into L plus B, 2 into length is 45 by root 13, breadth is 30 by root 13. So 2 into both the denominators are set, 75 by root 13. That gives you 150 by root 13 cm. Otherwise, if we have to, mostly we should not show the answer with irrational denominator. So when we rationalize the denominator, that means when we multiply, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by root 13 in order to rationalize the denominator. Okay, let me clear the board this side and find the remaining part of the question. That is perimeter already we found. But as we got the denominator irrational, let us rationalize the denominator. Perimeter is equal to 115 by 50 by root 13. So let us multiply both numerator and denominator by root 13. So we get 150 by root 13. Root 13 into root 13 is 13 cm. So this is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now let us work out for area of the rectangle. We know the formula for area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Length is 45 by root 13. Breadth is 30 by root 13. So 0, 3 5s are 15, 5 1 carrying, 3 4s are 12, 1 13. Root 13 into 13 is, root 13 into root 13 is 13 only. Okay. So 1350 by 13. And whenever we get the answer in mixed, improper, we have to convert it to mixed. 13 1 are 13, 13 zeros are 13 threes are 39 and 11 by 13 cm square. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle, always try to write the answer like this. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 150 root 13 by 13 cm. Area of rectangle is 103 and 11 by 13 cm square. That is what asked to us and we have to show it clearly. Thank you.